Our governor addressed the state just hours ago about how Texas is responding to coronavirus concerns.
In a town hall that we hosted, Governor Abbott talked about what is crucial to keep Texans protected.
Hi there. On the same day, the governor enacted those statewide orders on public gatherings, school closures, and restaurants. He joined us for an hour right here to talk about the state's response to coronavirus.
I know that many of you are concerned, maybe scared, maybe confused. You deserve answers.
From healthcare to small businesses, testing to education, he explained how his new executive orders will work for all Texans.
But the main thing we're focused on right now is really the only thing we can do to secure your safety and public health in the state of Texas, and that is to contain expansion and transmission of the disease.
There is a storm coming. It's the coronavirus.
The message from state leaders is clear. The goal is to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
We must be all in this together to make sure that you are monitoring your peers and explaining to your peers they cannot congregate in groups of more than 10 people. Otherwise, they're posing a risk to you and your health and your parents and your grandparents.
After President Trump announced an agreement to close the Canadian border to non-essential, non-commercial activity, Governor Abbott says the southern border could follow suit.
It's my understanding that there may be an announcement tomorrow by the president involving Mexico. If not tomorrow, maybe coming soon, probably articulating the similar standard, and that is doing the best to close the border for purposes of cross-border traffic of people who could be bringing COVID-19 into the United States. It would be doing what we're doing here in Texas already, but still allowing commercial traffic to continue.
As for the economic downturn many Texans are facing, there's a disaster declaration fund valued at $150 million and the state's rainy day fund. But the governor said Texas industries can be corrected without accessing those contingency plans.
Money is not the problem, it's public health safety. And if everyone does their job from a public health safety standpoint, there won't be a money problem in the end.
Abbott's new statewide mandates take effect at midnight Friday. In Austin, I'm Wes Rappaport. Back to you.
Governor Abbott did say that everything's on the table right now, but he won't consider implementing a new tax to manage this crisis.